Hi everyone, Sheevaun here, driving for your success. And today I'm going to talk about the second mountain. So oftentimes we hit a peak and then we start sliding back down. We accomplish something, we, get to something that is really good and yummy and amazing, and then we start sliding back down, and we're actually used to climbing out of the pit. I did a whole epic life series on this about climbing out of the pit and peak hopping, meaning mountain top hopping. And most people don't think about this, especially since we're always looking to get there. Well, where is there? Because there's always going to be some new there. And the idea is to get there inside your contentment, inside your purpose, or your next purpose, or your next purpose and your next purpose. And when you've been doing something for quite a long time, like I have been with energy and helping people sort out their energy to get to levels of success and get unstuck, there will be different mountain tops, second mountains and third mountains and fourth mountains, etc. But we don't think in those terms. And so today I want you to think of, what mountain are you needing to get to the top of? And how many mountains have you gotten to the top of already? So do a little assessment about how many mountains you've already gotten to the top of, because this little treasure will help you understand how to get to your next mountaintop. And just because I'm here for this one purpose of helping people really define and redefine and understand how the subtle energies, the quantum energies, the essences of energies, work in your physical, your mental, emotional, spiritual, relational, financial worlds, that doesn't mean that there aren't many different mountaintops for me. So your mountaintop, it could be a financial mountaintop. It could be a health optimization mountaintop. It could be a health restoration mountaintop. It could be an exit from your business. I've helped a lot of businesses get sorted out while they exit. And then I've helped those entrepreneurs sort out where they're going next to that next mountaintop. And it really is about learning how your soul and your energy and all of these other parts of you, the physical, the mental, emotional, spiritual, relational, financial parts, all can be moving in an upward trending direction without all of these high highs and low lows and high highs and low lows. And learn to get into consistency so that it becomes more of a wave form to achieve that effortlessness on the journey to that next mountaintop. Even finding the ideal purpose of that mountaintop is part of this process. So think about that for yourself and give yourself some consideration about where you've been, how many mountaintops you've gotten to, and where you're going next, because where you're going next is going to need you to be more consistent with your time, with your energy, with your thinking, with your interrelations. It's going to need you to be more ease-filled and in flow. Hey, my name is Sheevaun. I've been helping folks for many years do this, achieve this, sort this out. I have books, audios, things like that. You can find that at sheevaunmoran.com. And I would greatly appreciate this if this resonated with you, that you would share it with somebody else and subscribe. Make a comment. Tell me your mountaintop. So important for us to have conversations rather than this to be a one-way voice kind of to you. This is